Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fix Spotify playing random songs. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. So first of all, you want to make sure to update the Spotify app to the latest version. So make sure you have updated the Spotify app. After we have updated, I'm going to open Spotify and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now let me select any of the playlists right over here. And let's say I try to play any songs over here. The problem is that whenever I play a song, instead of playing the directly next song after it finishes it, is actually going to play a random song from this playlist. So how do you fix Spotify playing random songs? The process is very simple. You open the song right over here at the bottom left of the screen. You will simply be able to see this green arrow icon, which means this is a shuffle icon. This shuffle is actually currently turned on, so if you want to fix Spotify from playing random songs, we will simply turn this toggle off. Once we turn this toggle off, make sure it is not highlighted in green, and whenever this song finishes, it is going to play the next song right after this song. So when you turn off shuffle, it is actually going to play the next song. And it is not going to play random songs. Make sure that the shuffle is currently turned off. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.